Hi guys, Chopper's Real One here. Well, I've been fiddling with the lead fishing cart again. I'm pretty much getting close to calling it done. Still not quite everything I want yet, but as you can see here, I have a 12 volt battery mounted so I can run some external lights and a radio if I need it. I've also been fiddling with the tables. While I was talking to Ken Redneck Connection, I've put this up here now. So it makes it a whole lot, like new, tidier and cleaner and neater, and the table sits level up here. I've ground all the screws down, everything sits flat now. So I popped it up, push that down, everything sits flat, both sides. I've done that too. The other side's the same, just makes it a lot easier, a lot neater, tidier. I've still got the little screw under there, you can see. I've got a little screw under there that holds it up so it works fine, and the dead level. Provided my concrete was level when I tried, but it's dead level. So there you go, that holds up, folds down, it's all good. All I got to do now is work out where I'm going to put some LED lights for night time. I actually thought about putting a top on it, but I don't know yet. I'll have to get around to that. Unfortunately, the chrome on the front started to rust where I had it stored. It was stored in a really crappy environment, but that doesn't matter. I can fix it. It's all good. But, yeah. That'll leave me for the time being. So, if I any more updates, I'll give up to you. I still got to paint it yet. I still haven't figured out a colour. That's why I sort of left it the way it is. This gets a lot of people at the swap meets. When I go to a swap meet with this cart, people come up to me and go, "Oh wow man, I love your car. Where'd you get that from?" "I built it." "You built it?" "Yeah, it's built out of an old drawer." Like this is a desk drawer. One of those old desk drawers. I got these wheels here are off a wheelie walker. The back wheels are off a jogging pram. The handlebars are off a trike. That bracket there is off a massage chair. So it's just made out of whatever crap I had laying around at the time when I was living at the other place. And surprisingly enough, this one survived the floods. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright guys, that's it for me for the moment. Bye for now.